Hi everyone. So I want to talk about how I leapfrogged into the math department. So in computer science, machine learning is all about vectors, matrices, computation, like matrix computation. So at the high level, with machine learning, you have a lot of high dimensional spaces, high dimensional vectors. You have an information vector for a customer that has the name, how much interaction, how much the company is worth, what industry, the point of correspondence, all these factors. So you're working with high dimensional data points that have maybe like, say you have 100,000 data points and each data point has 15 entries. So that's 100,000 15-dimensional points. You can't visualize 15 dimensions mathematically. You can't visualize really higher than 3 dimensions in a 2-dimensional screen. But so computer science is just working with the fields of computer science and math are converging like this because machine learning is allowing you to do computation on these super high dimensional data sets. Like I said, 100,000 data points, 15 qualities per data point. Like, again, a house can have 15 different information facts associated with it. You want to store all 15 facts. Okay, do it. So this wraps around in computer science to extremely high dimensional linear algebra. In math, you study linear algebra from the ground up. You study 2D math, 2D vectors, matrices, 3D, 4D, 2x4, whatever. And then you have this giant gap between it's like visualizing and computing on 3D vectors. First of all, you can't really visualize higher than 3D. There's no one's figured out how to do it. And then you can do computation on high, like 2x8 matrices or 15x16 matrices. Like, sure, you can do pen and paper computation. You can multiply a 15x15 by a 15x15, but what? For what? Not only can you so you're hand multiplying, so not only does a calculator save time, like instantaneously, what it would take you 5 hours to do, a computer can do it in 2 seconds these days. But also, what is a 15x15? Like, if I give you a 15x15 and I say multiply it, like, you give me your thing and it's like, okay, cool. Better off you would be using Netflix data, Netflix movies, time spent watching, which is back to computer science. So mathematicians are just kind of useless and stuck, and computer science is wrapping all the way around from 3-dimensional 2x8, 15x15, handwritten calculating vector matrices and linear algebra math to 100,000 by 15 machine learning, like big tech research machine learning. And now what I'm working on is just going from here to here.